Hello friend, Namaskar and good morning. I am Sivanand Dwivedi from Madhya Pradesh, India. At the present I am in Rewa district and Sirmaur forest range. This is called Lalgaon sub range and especially I am standing in Kankar beat area. Okay, what is the name of this place? इस जगह को क्या कहेंगे? क्यों संतोष? इस जगह को क्या कहेंगे? रबार. दिस इज द रबार एरिया. और इसको स्पेशली कुछ जगह कहेंगे क्या और कुछ नहीं. So this is the Rabar area in this local terms, and I was just spotting some of the forest offences in my area because forest department often says that there is no forest offences in this area and everything is nice and fine, everything is going smoothly, and whatever the complaints lodged by the grievances lodged by the publics are proven wrong by this forest official. So I was here to just spot some evidences. So you can see this is not the time of the branch cutting of these tendu leaves, because these are the tendu leaves. I have again and again told that the people usually use these tendu leaves for making for the formation of this bindi. Bindi is like a sort of smoking, they use for the smoking purpose. This is just a variant of the cigarette, which we know a cigarette which company often produces in India and the world. This is known as the bindi here. Bindi is formed using the tobacco, Indian tobacco, and this tendu leaves. So usually they do this, they call it the sakh kartan. Sakh kartan means the cutting down of these branches, and the branches should not be more thick than this. You see, this is my thumb, thickness of my thumb, and this is the thickness of this branch. So the sakh kartan or the cropping of these branches are not thicker than this. But this is not really a sakh kartan or the cropping of the branches, because this is so thick, and yeah, this is so thick, and even you can see that this one, and this is just recently done, and there is no forest guard, there is no forest department officials here to see this, and I'm sure that this is all done by the help of the forest department of Rewa. Forest department takes the bribery and the money, and they just protect these offenders. So you can see it's again dead here, again dead here. All these are the tendu plants. So perhaps the forest department may answer of these questions, that what's happening in their forest range. Again we can show some of other offenses. You can see that it's again here, the cropping of this thick branch here, cropping of thick branch there, everywhere. This especially place is like so dense, where if this could be protected, perhaps there might be some nice plants here in the future, but it's all dead here. You can see here again cropped down here, again cropped down here, with the local pupils, with the mafia, or maybe with the help of forest department. I'm sure that all these activities are done with the help of forest department. Forest department knows everything. There are the mansevi workers who works in daily wage. They don't come here. There are the chaukidar or the guards here. Guard doesn't come here usually. There are other high level officials, some deputy ranger and ranger. They never come here. Even if you complain, they never come here to see what's happening in the forest. You can see this one, this one, this one, this one, and all that. And especially these are the protected and prohibited plants. These are called the tendu plants, and especially this bad things has happened only with these tendu plants. So I'm just getting back from here by showing you some of this illicit felling and kind of deforestation type of problems here, and we'll get back you soon. Thank you.